So we just landed our first sale with our first love seat. If you notice, it's gone. It's the tan sectional we got a hit this morning that somebody was interested in it. For how much?
100.
100. So within one day, we made $100. We picked that tan love seat up this morning. No, yesterday morning, and held it overnight. Posted on Facebook. And it sold this morning, so we're on to the next one. And that's just how fast you can get it done. Real nice guy. He took off down the driveway, and we were able to help him out. Retired firefighter. That way he didn't have to pay $600 and $700 for a couch, which he was looking at. He paid only $100. We'll see you when we get back in. Hey guys, so we just sold our second item. We just sold the pub table for how much?
For 50.
Not $450, but for 50. So we're about to take off. We're about to go get another item. We just got another lead. Listen to me, a lead. Yeah, we got a lead on a couch, you know. No, we got another hit on a couch. How much is this couch listed for?
$15.
$15. We're going to try to pick this couch up for $15. We're going to try to sell it for at least $100. But the people at the pub table, really nice people. They came from Pennsylvania. Of course, they had family in the area, so they didn't drive just from Pennsylvania to pick up the table. But the daughter actually has a full softball training center in the basement of their house, which is actually phenomenal. I saw the video of it, but out of respect for them, we didn't want to show their faces or anything like that. And but just the people you get a chance to meet doing this is just absolutely phenomenal. We love it. That's what makes it fun, and that's why it's flipping fun. We'll see you after we do this next pickup. We just got back from picking up this, and it cost us $15. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. The guy even helped us carry it out from the basement, across his lawn, to the truck. I would have probably paid him $15 just for that, but I think I just did. And so we got it all strapped in. We're about to unleash it. We're going to put it in the garage, and make sure that when you guys do this, make sure you double strap it. You know, preferably put one low, put one high. If you put one high, you'll be able to see out your rear view window in case one does pop off. Then you can say, oh no, you know, and you pull over and you can fix that. But I think we got another lead. A lead. There we are with a lead again. I think we got another potential hit on another one that's coming up. This one's called a Bernhardt. Bernhardt. We don't know much about Bernhardt, but we looked them up, and they're going for a couple grand. And so we're going to see what a Bernhardt couch is all about. It's free. We don't know how much we're going to list this one for until we get it cleaned up, and then we'll figure that out. We probably won't be able to get it cleaned up till tomorrow. It's evening time here in Maryland, so it's starting to get a little late. We also got some grocery shopping to do. So I'll catch you guys on the next clip. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up a weekend, a Saturday and a Sunday. And so what we wound up with was was it 4 couches? 4? Did I count right? 4 couches in one weekend. 3 were given to us. One only cost $15. One's already been sold for $100. We sold a pub table that was that we had. That was our own personal pub table, and we were just tired of it, and so we got rid of that. That was $50. So $150 in one weekend, just being new at this flipping thing. And so that pretty much sums up where we're at. We just we tried to look at the Bernhardt couch. I don't know anything about Bernhardt except when we look at the cost of what people are buying them for, man, they're up around a couple grand. Well, we tried to get it out of somebody's basement, and it was like a 2-level step, and it just was not happening. It didn't happen. They were moving. They had new floors. They had painted walls, and I wasn't about to scuff up those floors, and I wasn't about to scuff up their walls. And the lady told me, she said, I'll get in touch with you. We figure out how to get it up there. And she also said, and when we move, we also got another one upstairs that you can have. It's like, so we could potentially wind up with 2 free couches. And people just want to give away their couches. So I think that's going to call it out for a Sunday evening of a flipping fun. I'll see you guys next time.